Guys, what's up? So today I'm showing you guys how to fix this issue right here, which is your connection is not private. So it could be a lot of things that's causing this issue. So hopefully we can at least find the issue. So obviously you have to do some troubleshooting to find the exact issue that's causing this problem. First off, it can just be that everything's good. It's just that this website is malicious, or the website is it's a phishing attempt, or they're trying to steal your information. But usually when that is the case, you guys can click on advanced and then actually click on like bypass or continue anyway. That just means you have your protection on, but you can still continue anyways, which is highly recommended. So you can try to pretty much filter what's spam or a scam and what's not scams and all that. So I do highly recommend always having some kind of protection on. But in this case, as you can see, there's no way for me to bypass. Right, so I'm gonna show you guys pretty much how to fix it. It could be a lot of things. You guys can Google it for a whole list of reasons it can be, and just troubleshoot it. Go through the list and try to see what is the reason for this. This does also work on the website version as well, but this is specifically for Chrome. I mean, it can happen in other browsers, but I usually use Chrome. That's just me though. So first off, you can reload it. So not reload. Whatever you do, it's not working. And then you also can Google this error right here. That might give you a little more explanation, but either way, we have something that's on this blocking this from loading. Okay. So first off, I know the issue in my case, but I'm gonna try to tell you guys as well. So first thing you guys can check is go over to your settings in Chrome, and then you guys can go over to settings here, and then you guys can do this, but it doesn't. I don't think it will help too much. We go to site settings, and then check all this information right here. Make sure it's on and all that. Pop-ups and redirects. Like this is not really a pop-up. Like that's more like a different thing. So that has blocked, but that's not the issue. So that says blocked. That's usually not the issue. Intrusive ads, protect the content. You can also look at all that kind of stuff, but usually what the first thing you want to go to is when you go to settings, is actually go to privacy and security, and then you guys want to go to under security, safe browsing. So you guys can try to turn this off and see if it works after that. But like I said, this usually isn't the issue, because usually if it does block it, indicating that it is not like safe, like a safe website, it usually still gives you the option to continue anyways. But you can click on there to try to see if that does work as well. You have add privacy, so you can kind of look at the settings to see what you guys need. But usually a VPN or an ad blocker can also be a big reason to why this is happening, and also a little troubleshooting, right? A little common sense as well. So for example, doesn't matter what I search up. I MailChimp. There's a random thing I search up, right? You can search up anything you guys want. But for example, you see how it says sponsored. Okay, sponsored again up here. Same thing. Sponsored, same thing, right? And this does not say sponsored, right? But this loaded. Weird, right? So now we got to think for a second, right? First off, this website is the exact same website as this one right here. The exact same website. So why is one of them working out the other? Well, usually if you have a sponsored thing, using ad blocker is like indicating like that it's automatically fraudulent, or like it's a scam or phishing attempt, because usually, not all sponsor websites, but usually sponsor websites can be scams, because anybody can actually buy a sponsor for a website and it will actually come up on first, even though it's like not the actual website. So it doesn't mean it's always a scam, but it can mean that it is a scam. So that's why an ad block will automatically block it from you, allowing you from accessing it. So obviously, with that being said, it's obviously an ad blocker, but it can be a list of things. I mean, you guys can Google them to see what the issue is. All right, so I Googled it. Your connection is not private. You can see there's a bunch of options you guys have. In any case, if the connection is not secure, this could be due to a number of reasons: outdated SSL, and active antivirus software. So it could be an antivirus, clear browser cache and cookies, load a page, check your antivirus software, check your SSL state. So yeah, there's definitely a couple reasons you guys can look up. But yeah, so there's also different websites you can look into to see what's causing it and get a whole list and troubleshoot each one off the list until you find the culprit. But for me, it's an ad blocker, so I'm going to show you something. Right, let me go back here, and you can see it's still not working. So for me, it is my ad blocker. So I'm going to turn off my ad blocker and then go back to Chrome. All right, so I turned off my ad blocker, I went back to Chrome, and it's still not going to work. I can refresh it. Still, same thing. Why? Because we're missing one more step, and that is to close out Chrome and reopen it. All right, let me show you. So you can see right now it's not working. Right, we refresh it. Okay, so all I'm going to do is close out Chrome because my ad blocker is turned off, and then relaunch Chrome. And now it should work. So let's click on one of them. It says sponsored. Voila. See, now it's working. Go to the other one up here. It's working. Yep. So that's it, guys. This might not be the issue for you, but just keep trying different things, and also comment down below if you're still having the issue. I can try to go through some troubleshooting with you guys if you want. No problem helping you guys. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.